Hi, my name's Emily, and today I'm going to be taking you through how you can add custom columns into an existing cohort workspace. Now, I'm already logged into to Connect here, so I'm going to access my cohorts. I'm going to come to Data, and today I want to add a custom column into my Year 13, so I'll click on Year 13. Now you can see this is all already prepared. So what I'm going to do today, I want to add in my own column. And this is what custom columns are. They are essentially a column of data which you can define. It's not one of our predefined columns with sort of predefined content, such as, the gender, ethnicity, and disadvantage columns. So today, what I'm going to add is an ability category. And my colleagues would then be able to use this in Connect Interactive if they wanted to filter based on ability category. So the really important thing when preparing your data to put in a custom column is that your student IDs must match exactly. So you can see here I've got my student IDs and I've made sure that I maintain the leading zeros. Here's this student, for instance. And in this spreadsheet, I also have my prior attainment, which is my average GCSE score. And then we've simply put them into categories of low, medium, and high ability. Now I've got this already prepared, so it's going to be really simple to import this. So to do that, what I'm going to do is come to the Import Data button here. There's a little down arrow. When you hover over it, it says Import Data. So clicking on that, I have the option to paste or import a file. I'm going to choose Import a File, click to Browse, and then I'm going to find my high, medium, low file that I've prepared. So this is successfully attached, and if we view that, you can see I have my IDs, my prior attainment, and my ability category. So I'm going to click Next, and it will take me to my column mappings. And this is where you create your custom column. So again, I've got my IDs, my prior attainment, and this new column. So it's recognized student ID. It's recognized prior attainment, but actually we already have this in the data. So what I'm going to do is click on Edit and Skip. There's really no need to re-import that. Now, ability category, this is an unrecognized column. The software doesn't know what this is. So we're going to tell it. So I'm going to click on Map. And then from this drop-down list, I am going to select New Custom Column. Now, I could rename this. I'm quite happy with this name, so I'm going to stick with that. So I'm just going to click Save. And now you can see that that is completed as student ID is, which means that the software now recognizes this as a column. And if you wanted to come back and import further data, this would now appear in your drop-down list as a column mapping option. So I'm going to click Done. And now you can see that my data here has been populated. My ability category column has appeared and it matched based on the student ID and simply added it onto the end. And that's why it's really important to have these student IDs matching exactly so that the software can say, ah, yes, I recognize this student, I'll add it on for them, rather than thinking that it's a new student. So if I save this now, that is my, my custom column added. And of course, you could do this when you were initially importing your student data and your workspace was blank and it's the first import you're doing. Absolutely, you can just add that onto that spreadsheet if you're setting up a new cohort. But if you've got an existing one, you want to add a custom column or you want to add a custom column partway through the year, it's that easy. You just really need to make sure that your student IDs match. If you would like some further information on how you can use custom columns within Connect Interactive, then I'd recommend looking at our multi-level filters article on our knowledge base, and there is also a multi-level filtering video done by my colleague Ian. If you are adding this into an existing workspace, one of the really important things is going to be for you to then go back into your grades data and click on Add to Connect again, because do remember your custom columns and any changes you make to your cohorts or your grades data won't come through to Interactive until you have clicked on Add to Connect again. Okay, I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions about using your custom columns, then please do get in touch. The support team are available by email or by phone, and we also have articles on this in our knowledge base. Okay, thank you for watching.